channel and I hope you all are doing great. As you can see from the title, it's all about the shopping which I did in Canada. And after like 1 week I went to the mall and I saw a brand called this Ardeen. And आप सबने सुना ही होगा, obviously this is a famous brand. मैं वन सारी की सारी आइटम्स दिखाऊंगी जो मैंने वहाँ से परचेज़ की हैं. And without wasting any more time, let's just dive into the video. First I'll show you the upper part, I mean the top, t-shirt and spaghettis. Then I'll move to the shoes part. Okay, so first I bought this. Just a second. Okay, so this was the t-shirt. So इस पे लिखा हुआ है Kendall and Kylie. Yeah. So secondly, which I got. So this is a basic t-shirt. मैंने अभी तक टैग भी नहीं हटाया. As you can see, it's only for $5. So मैंने टैग नहीं हटाया. बेसिक टी-शर्ट है V-neck में, मुझे अच्छी लगती है, ऐसे कंफर्टेबल रहती है समर में. You can just wear it and wear it up with anything. आप इसके ऊपर कुछ भी wear करके you can just good to go. So this is the और मटेरियल इसका बहुत सॉफ्ट था. सेकेंड टी-शर्ट which I bought. इसका भी बहुत अच्छा कलर है, मॉम शेड में है ये. एंड दिस इज़ ऑल्सो, ये 40-90 की थी बट आई गॉट इट ओनली. ये मुझे सिर्फ $5. जो स्लीव्स ये अच्छी लगी पहनने के बाद ना. सो आई जस्ट लव इट. दिस इज़ माई थर्ड पीस. देन मैंने ज़्यादातर टी शर्ट्स खरीदी हैं बिकॉज समर में आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू बी कम्फर्टेबल हियर. दिस इज़ अनदर टी शर्ट. इसका कलर कितना प्यारा है ना, यू कैन सी. सो दिस इज़ सेम फॉर दिस. ये भी 1790 की थी एंड ये मुझे $5 में पड़ी थी. वेरी सॉफ्ट कॉटन मटेरियल, लव इट. देन आई गॉट दिस वेरी ब्यूटीफुल शेड ऑफ sweatshirt and this is also for 17.90, but this was only for $10. ये सिर्फ $10 की थी. so I just grabbed it. इसका भी मटेरियल बहुत सॉफ्ट है एंड कलर भी बहुत ज़्यादा सूट करेगा मुझ पे. just love it and I just picked it up. so next t-shirt which I got is this. Look at this color, white with maroon. I just love it. And there is Colorado. इस पे लिखा हुआ है. This is full sleeve. समर में it's very comfortable. मटेरियल भी बहुत ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट है, so you don't need to worry at all. कॉटन है, सारा स्टफ कॉटन का है. Again I got this shirt. This is very basic, simple, क्यूट सी प्रिंटिंग है इसके ऊपर. सो आई जस्ट लव इट. उन्होंने एक होर्डिंग लगा रखा था जिसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ था $5 फॉर 3 pairs, $10 फॉर 3 pair, these kind of things. So I went to the cash counter and he just asked the girl that why this sale is going on. It's very less, like you are selling 3 products at only $10. So the girl said it's a limited sale and it's a liquidation sale. I don't know what does it mean, but that these products cannot be returned and this product amount cannot be refunded. So this is a one-time sale which was going on there. It's पता था, so I know I have to wear it and I'm not going to return all of these. So I'm just keeping all of them. So yeah, due to which that sale was going. Another piece which I got. So this is another top, kind of a t-shirt and इसकी रफल्ड वाली sleeves है and material is very soft. बहुत ज़्यादा सूदिंग मटेरियल है in summer especially, so I can wear it very easily. I just love black. I'm still wearing black. Now I'll share some shorts like denims which I got and these were also on the sale. Same sale पे लगी हुई है. Blue shade, I think yeah, it's blue. And this price, the price of this denim was $26.90 but I got it only in $10. So it's a steal deal for me. And मैंने just उठा लिए because I know कि summers में यही सब पहनने वाली हूँ मैं. ये सब लेकिन मैंने ये ली लाइक शॉर्ट्स, ये लाइट शेड में है एंड द प्राइस वाज इट वाज $29.90 बट आई गॉट इट ओनली $10. सो ये $10 की है एंड स्ट्रेची मटेरियल समर में बहुत काम आने वाले हैं. ऐसे एंड दिस रग्ड काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग है. आई जस्ट लव इट बिकॉज ये पहनने के बाद बहुत स्मार्ट लुक देते हैं. शॉर्ट विच आई गॉट इट्स इन ब्लैक कलर and the price of this again $26.90 but I got it only in $10 because there was huge sale and I don't know वो भी है या नहीं है but I was just enjoying it because वहाँ पे इतने सही प्राइस पे ये वाला ब्रांड मिल रहा था. I was so surprised and shocked कि ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है but I just love it because ये high waisted है तो क्रॉप टॉप के साथ ऐसे टॉप्स के साथ. Shorts I got it in this blue color again, similar kind of a shade and the price was I got it in the size 07. I'm going to wear all of these. Which I got is this is cotton material and you can wear it in night time, daytime, anytime you can wear it and this was $19.90. I'm in the size small. I don't know if you can see the price is $19.90. Yeah, and I got it only in $5. This short. So yeah, I just love it. Another thing which I got is this pajama. This is also in a cotton material, like soft wala cotton hota hai na. I don't know what we call it. Lycra, I think. So ये उस मटेरियल में है. Which I got is this crop top and I just love it because ये mint green कलर में है and बहुत ही ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट है. I'm in the size medium. ये भी $5 का ही था. I just love it and I'm dying to wear one of these. Next I got this high neck, similar pattern. I'm in the size small. Sizing का थोड़ा सा issue है because back in India I was getting most of the time medium size but here I can fit in extra small also. So yeah, that is also very unique. Show you some footwears which I got from there and I paid only $5 for each pair and I got few of them from there, like 4 pairs from there and I just love it because summers में ऐसी ही चीज़ें ज़्यादा सही रहती हैं just to make comfort to your feet. And this is the first, you can call it brown, beige, whatever you want to call it. So I just love it. Same इसका प्राइस था $14.90 पर मुझे सिर्फ $5 इसका चार्ज हुआ and I just love it क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल है. बेस भी बहुत कुशनी है इसका. मेरा इसमें नंबर है 6. You can see from here 6. तो मैंने अभी तक टैग भी नहीं लगाया बिकॉज मैं समर्स में वेयर करूँगी. Second pair which I got is this black, same pattern because सेल में थे तो 3 पैर 4 पैर whatever you want to pick it up you can just get it. So मैंने ये वाली ली because I just love black. किसी के भी साथ चल जाते हैं if I go to office in few days so I can wear it because summers भी आने वाली हैं इधर. So yeah, and again I'm in the size 6 for this also. इसका प्राइस था $17.90. again I paid only $5. I'll just show you the bill. Then मैंने एक और पैर लिया similar kind of a form, ये light grey color में and again I'm the size 6. ये भी बहुत अच्छे लग रहे थे. So yeah, बहुत comfortable थे actually इसलिए मैंने pick करा. Which I got from Ardeen are these. I just love it. And इसमें थोड़ी सी हील है but I can manage it because मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं ऐसे बूट. So you can just wear it anytime, जीन के ऊपर, ड्रेसेस के ऊपर, you just go with everything. And इसमें हल्का सा यहाँ पे इलास्टिक वाला पार्ट है, as you can see this one. And price were for this 49.90. I don't know if you can just see. So this was the price and I paid only $10. You won't believe, I just paid $10 for these boots. अगर आप इनको खरीदोगे ना, ये I don't know 5-6 हज़ार से नीचे तो क्या ही आएंगे ये ऐसे boots. So yeah, I just love it. So this is that, and I got few hair layer stuff, छोटा सा इसमें भी है. So just show you lot of hair. These clips aren't they cute? This is only for $3. Item is this owl kind of pendant and I just love it. बहुत सुंदर लग रहा था तो मैंने ले लिया. This was $6. इसमें $6 का प्रिंट प्राइस है but I got it like only $3. So just love it because ठीक है, बहुत solid वाली सेल थी यार ये तो. I don't know if they still have. So alright guys, so this was it, and if you enjoyed this video then please give this video a like button and subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel. I'll be creating more videos like this. If you enjoyed this kind of content then please do let me know. I'm dying to make these videos because I'm new here in Canada and I'm just exploring Canada myself with my husband. So yeah, अगर आपको ऐसी वीडियोस ज़्यादा पसंद आती हैं तो प्लीज़ मुझे बताना, मैं और बनाऊंगी ऐसे वीडियोस. एंड मैंने इस इन दिस ऑल ऑफ these items I have paid only $143. I don't know if you can see, here is the amount, $143. So all of these products costed me $143 total. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.